We have an amazing pilgrimage experience in Negros Oriental, where we visited some of the most beautiful and historic Catholic churches with our parish priest, his team, and some fellow parishioners. As we embarked on our pilgrimage journey, we were filled with excitement and anticipation. Our first stop is San Vicente Ferrer Parish Church of Bindoy, a beautiful church located in the municipality of Bindoy, Negros Oriental, Philippines. The church's architecture is a blend of Spanish and Filipino styles, with its bell tower being a prominent feature. It was built in the early 1900s and has since become a popular destination for tourists and locals alike. Next, we visited St. Francis of Assisi Catholic Parish, a church located in Manhayad, Negros Oriental, where our parish priest, Reverend Father Edwin Academia Acob, was a native. The parish serves the spiritual needs of the community through regular masses, sacraments, and other religious activities. It also plays an active role in promoting social welfare programs and community development initiatives. Next destination is St. Nicholas of Tolentino Parish. In Bai's City, a beautiful and historical church that is worth a visit. The church features stunning architectural details, including intricate carvings and stained glass windows. Visitors will also appreciate the peaceful and serene atmosphere within the church, making it a perfect place for prayer and reflection. Additionally, the church hosts various religious events throughout the year, which provide an excellent opportunity to experience the local culture and traditions. Overall, visiting St. Nicholas of Tolentino Parish is a must-do for anyone interested in history, architecture, and spirituality. We also get the chance to see the beauty of the Holy Cross Parish, a Catholic church located in Santa Cruz Viejo, Tantay Negros Oriental. It is a place of worship for the Catholic community in the area and is known for its beautiful architecture and peaceful atmosphere. The church offers regular Mass services for its parishioners and visitors. It is also a popular destination for tourists who want to experience the local culture and traditions. Holy Cross Parish is a significant landmark in the town, reflecting the strong religious beliefs of its people. The next place on our itinerary is St. James the Greater Parish, a Catholic church located in Tantay City, Philippines. The church is named after St. James, one of the 12 apostles of Jesus Christ, and is known for its beautiful architecture and vibrant community. The parish offers a range of services, including daily masses, sacraments, and pastoral care. It also hosts various events and activities throughout the year, such as religious celebrations, youth programs, and community outreach initiatives. St. James the Greater Parish is a welcoming and inclusive community that strives to promote faith, love, and service to others. Next point of interest is St. Andrew the Apostle Parish of the Roman Catholic Diocese of Dumaguete, which was established on 1848. It is located in the municipality of Amlin, province of Negros Oriental. The parish fiesta is celebrated every 30th day of November. The coral stone church that still stands today came about as a result of the hard work of the different Recollect priests who served Amlin throughout the years. Next up on our list is St. Joseph the Worker Parish, San Jose, a modern-style, fully air-conditioned church located in Negros Oriental. It is a beautiful and welcoming place of worship that offers a comfortable and serene atmosphere for parishioners and visitors alike. The church is dedicated to St. Joseph, who is known as the patron saint of workers, with its contemporary design and amenities. St. Joseph the Worker Parish, San Jose is a testament to the evolution of religious architecture. Situated in the town center of Cibulin in Negros Oriental, the simplistic-looking San Antonio de Padua Church welcomes the tourists to the small and peaceful municipality. The bell-gabled San Antonio de Padua Church, built in 1953, is an example of a simple Romanesque architecture. Its architectural element crowning at the upper end of the wall of the church has a couple of bells in lieu of a church tower. It consists of a gable and in stone, with small hollow semicircular arches. The facade has a statue of San Antonio de Padua housed inside a glass. It also has a couple of windows, a floral ventilation design, and the main door. The design of San Antonio de Padua Church in Cibulin makes the church unique. Different from most old churches found in the country, which are based on Baroque Rococo structure. After a long journey, Father Acob and a few of his parishioners enjoyed a lunch at the boulevard in Dumaguete City. The group appeared to be in high spirits, laughing and chatting as they dined together. Father Acob, known for his warm and welcoming personality, seemed to be enjoying the company of his parishioners. The group's lunch took place against the backdrop of the boulevard's stunning views of the ocean, making for a delightful and picturesque dining experience. Next stop is, we visited Robinson's Mall in Dumaguete City, where we had the opportunity to witness the Bug Leysen dog show. It was a great experience for us to see the talented dogs and the crowd's enthusiasm overall. It was an enjoyable outing for all of us. Our Lady of the Abandoned Parish is a Catholic church located in Valencia, Negros Oriental. It is dedicated to Our Lady of the Abandoned, who is believed to be the patroness of abandoned and neglected people. The church has a rich history, having been established in the early 1900s and rebuilt in the 1950s after being destroyed during World War II. The parish is known for its beautiful architecture and serene surroundings, making it a popular destination for tourists and locals alike. Mass is held daily, and the church also offers various religious activities and services for the community. Our journey continued to the San Nicolas de Tolentino Church, a magnificent structure that stood solemnly amidst the bustling town of Beicong. The intricate carvings on the wooden doors and the imposing bell tower left us in awe. The final leg of our pilgrimage took us to the Dumaguete Cathedral, a grandiose structure that serves as the seat of the bishop in Negros Oriental. The interior was just as impressive as the exterior, with its ornate altarpiece and intricate ceiling murals. A historical landmark that has stood the test of time. As we walked through its halls, we couldn't help but feel a sense of reverence for the countless individuals who had sought solace within its walls. as our pilgrimage journey came to an end. We felt a sense of fulfillment and peace. The beauty and history of these churches had left an indelible mark on our souls, and we knew that this experience would stay with us for a lifetime. It was truly inspiring to witness the faith and devotion of the local community as we explored these sacred sites. In addition to this, we also had the opportunity to witness one of the most important events in the province, the Buglason Festival, and witness different booths of various municipalities in Negros Oriental showcasing their products. It was a unique experience to learn about the distinct characteristics and offerings of each locality. We are able to explore the diverse range of products that these municipalities are known for, from delicacies to handicrafts. Overall, it was a day filled with spiritual and cultural enrichment that we will never forget. We hope that you can join for another pilgrimage journey and parochial outing led by Father Jacob in the future. Thank you so much. We hope you enjoyed watching. May God bless us all.